Hi friends, this is Bijita. Welcome to my channel once again. Today in this video I'll cover an important topic. Today in this video I'll cover an important error message which all of you may have come across. And basically this error you will be coming in, you will be getting in while clearing a GL account. So I'm showing you the error that is going to f.13. However, not necessarily that you will get this error in f.13 only. You may come across this error in some other clearing transaction as well. So I am showing you the error which I am talking about, giving all the ticks on this one and then executing. Let me check. Yeah, test on is on. Coming down. Yes, this error I am talking about, that is F500 is the error message number, and the error is the entry T043S ABC. ABC means my company code is missing in the table. This is a very common error which all of you may have come across. And what is the solution of the same? Now, have you ever thought that why the error is being coming in? This error is coming because there is no tolerance limit maintained against the GL, and this is required when you try to clear the GL accounts. So what is the solution? And there is a configuration through which you can solve this error. Now I am going to show you the configuration. Going to the transaction OBA0. Now see, if I am going to position and putting my company code here ABC, then you will not be finding any entry against the same. Why? The reason being it is not yet maintained. So I have to maintain my company code here and see the title of the transaction, tolerance for groups of GL account in local currency. That means the GL account tolerance group in local currency has not been maintained. That is the reason why the error is coming in. So I'll take any of the examples given here by SAP and I'll just copy. So I have selected one line and I'm just pressing the copy button. Here I just need not to do anything. I'll just delete the SAP given company code and I'll put my company code here. Then nothing, will have to press enter. It is done. Now I'll save, and in my transport I'll have to save the same. Now see the view maintenance table T043S, and that's what is coming in the error message T043S. So the table that SAP is referring to while showing the error message is the one where I am doing the configuration. So it is done. Now the configuration is done. Now again I'll go to the clearing and I'll show you whether the same error is coming or not. I have given my company code here as before. Now I'll just click on the execute button. Now coming in the below where the error message was showing, no, there is no such error. The error has gone, and see the green is coming up, means these two items are ready to be cleared. That means there is no such error. So I have shown you how to resolve the GL tolerance error, how to solve the T043S table is missing error. Now you all know how to maintain the tolerance limit, how to maintain the GL tolerance limit in SAP, and accordingly you can solve the same error. I hope this much is clear to you. If it is not, then please put your queries in the comment section. I'll surely try to answer all of your queries. And if you have liked the video, then please like and subscribe the channel. I'll come up with the next video which will be based on this clearing, means f.13 clearing, f.13 automatic clearing. So there I'll show you how to do the automatic clearing. So till then, keep watching the channel and be happy. Thank you. Goodbye.